Okay, hello guys, hello everyone, good morning. So it's your boy Toxic. So today we're gonna be looking at GU. We're gonna be looking at GU today. So take out any distraction and get yourself a cup of coffee, and let's go down to our top-down analysis to see what GU has to offer. So as you can see, guys, this is the weekly time frame. So at this weekly time frame we had, I'm just gonna briefly explain. So here we had a key level, which was this demand slipping down here. So when price came out, took out the liquidity at this demand zone, we had to push to the upside. We were expecting a higher high, but price gave us a failure swing and price came back down to collect more liquidity, sleeping in this double bottom down here. So if you look hitting around here, we kind of had a double bottom liquidity. We had a double bottom liquidity sleeping down here. So price came down to collect that liquidity. So now moving forward, as you can see, I am expecting this week to close. I am expecting this week to close with a CRT model. So as you can see at this area here on the weekly time frame, you can see this candle collecting liquidity and pushing to the upside. So if I have a close above, then I'll be anticipating price to buy next week on GU, giving us that good and clean weekly CRT model that we can anticipate on the weekly time frame. So heading straight to the daily time frame. As you all can see on the daily time frame, we had a CRT yesterday, price taking out this low and pushing all the way to the CRT high. So we had a CRT move yesterday, and excuse me guys. So and where am I expected to see price pushing all the way to? So yeah, I can first of all start by marking out a fair value gap, which is an internal range liquidity sleeping around here. So we have this FVG, that's an internal range liquidity, and we have the opposite side of our weekly CRT. So this FVG, if you start by going down from your Fibonacci tool from the CRT high all the way to the CRT low, you're gonna see this FVG is sleeping on a key level, which is a 50% key level. So first of all, you want to see price reacting on that 50% key level, which is at fair value gap. Then either you anticipate a reversal move or a continuation. So your main focus to be the fair value gap. That should be your main focus for now. So looking at the market today, what am I expecting on the market today? So I'll go straight to the 2 hours time frame. I'll go straight to the 2 hours time frame to look at the market profile. What is the profile of the market? What is the market doing? So as you all can see on my market profile here, one minute. Okay, so as you all can see on my market profile here, we had price giving us this push to the upside yesterday. And definitely today I'm gonna be anticipating price to give us a pullback. So normally I trade only on Tuesdays and on Thursdays. I don't trade on Mondays and I don't trade on Fridays. So today, for me, according to my rule I have set, according to my strategy and to my rule, I don't trade on Fridays. So on Mondays and on Fridays are for me to observe what the market is doing, because it's a beginning of a new week and it's a closing of that week. So for me today, I just want to see on how price is going to react, but definitely I'm gonna be looking at some internal range liquidities to see what price might do, the possibilities of what price might do. So let me go to the 4 hours to look at if we have any internal range liquidity sleeping somewhere. So firstly, I'm gonna look. We don't have any. You can see we don't have any fair value gap. We don't have any fair value gap sleeping around here that we could use like a price balance range, like inverted fair value gap. There's none. And here we can see this was after we had this first pullback. You can see this was the second pullback the market gave us after breaking the structure, giving us a market structure shift around here. So this is the second pullback. So this could be a key level that we will want to just be looking at price. And if you look at the market technically, that key level was being respected, so this key level was being respected in the market. So what am I anticipating? I'll go to the 1 hour. If that key level was being respected, I want to come to the 1 hour to look at what is going on in the 1 hour time frame. So guys, you can see this is the key level here. After price pushed to the upside, gave us this fair value gap, price came back and respected this key level. So now this key level is no longer a valid key level for you to wait on price because it's being respected. But now this now becomes a valid key level. So here you can see we have this area here. We have this area sleeping here with a fair value gap. So we have this area and we have this fair value gap here. So this area now becomes a key level because this is a FEG on the 1 hour time frame. We have the 1 hour FEG and we have this other block sleeping just slightly below the fair value gap. So it's a valid order block and it's a valid FEG. So this is where I'm looking at price to react to. So I'm looking at price to react from these key levels and probably continue pushing to the upside because we are expecting price to take out internal range liquidities, which is that fair value gap up there. So this is what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating to see price taking out this order block sleeping around here. So that's my view on GU, and I don't know, drop your view on the comment section, guys. Drop your own view on the comment section and let us look at what the market is gonna give us today. So drop your view, like and share. Massive support, guys. Let us look at what the market is gonna do. Let us look at the potentials the market is gonna give us today. So peace out, guys.